How would you feel if I tell you the government without any conditions who give you say ₹1,000 for free, and not just once, the government will give you money for free, but not just you, your family, friends, relative and every citizen of this country will give you money for free unconditionally. Some of you might be thinking that this is anti-event possible, but let me tell you, this is an economic policy which is seriously being considered in many countries of the world today. Good morning to everyone. My name is Muqaddis Ansari. I am from MP Badauni. Today I would like to talk about poverty. For today is universal basic income is the only way to eradicate poverty. India is the cradle of human race, the birthplace of human speech, and the grandmother of tradition, and the great-grandmother of legend. But it will be no exaggeration to say that nearly 68.8% of total Indian population lives on $2 per day. I repeat, only $2 each day. वो राम की खिचड़ी भी खाता है, वो रहीम की खीर भी खाता है, वो राम की खिचड़ी भी खाता है, वो रहीम की खीर भी खाता है, वो भूखा है जनाब, उसे मजहब कहाँ समझ में आता है. Poverty is not a natural calamity like earthquakes just happen, but rather it is the result of unfair laws and inequalities. Income actually is public inheritance that everyone should be entitled to, and this will only be possible under economic policy called UBI. Universal basic income will be implemented not just in India but in every country of the world. Some of you may be thinking that what is the need of government to distribute money for free, but the most important reason of doing so is the job losses that are happening and will happen due to automation and artificial intelligence. Believe me, the result of UBI are going to be fascinating, and the nutrition level of the families and particularly children will go up. There will be improvement in educational outcomes, and we all know very well that without education, thinking of employment or earning livelihood is next to impossible. Along with education person will get food, shelter, healthcare and whatever is necessary for a bright future. And what is the need of government to distribute money to a person? What is the need of giving money to a person who is already rich, but the money from basic income is so poor rich person, just useless. So in my opinion, the government should selectively choose people to hand out this income in order to eradicate poverty. I have to say a lot about this amazing topic, but this time is running out. I would like to conclude by saying yes, I agree that UBI now is the best possible way to eradicate poverty. But the youth of the country should not be dependent on anybody for anything. मुसीबत चाहे जो भी हो, हर आपदा को अवसर बनाना है. मुसीबत चाहे जो भी हो, हर आपदा को अवसर बनाना है. दिखाकर रंग अपनी मेहनत का इस देश को आत्मनिर्भर बनाना है. जय हिंद, जय भारत.